All right, so now we are going to move on to adding on to our previous knowledge. So we talked about what a fraction is, which is the division of an item into equal parts, and what these parts were. The numerator being the top number, and the denominator being the bottom number. Now we are going to talk about the addition and the subtraction of fractions. So addition and subtraction of fractions. The reason we're going to do this is because there's one very important fact to remember. To do addition and subtraction, we must have a common denominator. Sorry for my messy writing. It happens. So we must have a common denominator. So we're going to put this in perspective by trying to add a fraction without a common denominator. So no common, C, denominator, D. 1/3 plus 1/2. Equals blank. So we will split it into thirds. Then we will split this one into halves. Now, if we were to do it this way, so we would get the 1/2, we would get the 1/3. Well, I can't figure out exactly what this picture is trying to represent. This is why we must have a common denominator. Having a common denominator makes it easier to be able to determine a fraction, makes it done cleanlier, and makes it more understandable. So to do this, we will multiply to find the common denominator. So I will tell you that this is 6. Now we will multiply the numerators by the same number that we multiplied the denominator by. So this would be 2, this would also be 2. This would be 3, this would also be 3. So it would be 2/6 plus 3/6. Now, when we look at this, it'll be broken into 6 parts rather than just the 1/2 or just the 1/3. Going 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we can add these together, and we're able to find out exactly how much 1/3 plus 1/2, or 2/6 plus 3/6, which is the common denominator of 6. 1, 2, 3 plus the 1, 2. We are able to find out that this would be 5/6. Now, these problems may not make exact sense the way that I'm doing them, but no worries, over time I will represent how to add and subtract fractions in a variety of different ways that may best suit everybody's needs. Because everybody learns so differently, we will be doing a variety of different word problems and showing a variety of different ways to find out how to add fractions in a way that may make more sense to you. Because everybody learns so differently.